Today's subject is integrate and evolve. Shiva is taking us into the deeper layers day by day. Today is taking us to a different dimension. Let's enter into the sutra. Navraje navischaktir marutrupa vikasite nirvigalpatayam madhye taya bhairavarupata. Navraje navischaktir marutrupa vikasite nirvigalpataya madhye taya bhairavarupata. The translation goes, the energy of breath should neither move out nor enter. When the center unfolds by the dissolution of thoughts, be unclutched, then you attain the nature of Bhairava. Then one attains the nature of Bhairava. Again, this is also technique related to breathing. Actually, first 9 techniques are related to breathing. First day itself I was explaining. Breathing is the right place to start. That is the right place to begin the spiritual practice. There are so many masters who try to work on the earth. All the religious techniques, the puja, yoga, all of them start with earth, the physical part. Then there are some techniques related to fire, homa, so many techniques to fall in tune with the fire. There are some techniques to fall in tune with ether, but the problem is, straight away when you try to fall in tune with ether, Akash energy, sometimes you are not so subtle, you will not be able to grasp it. Prana, the air is the right space, anybody can start from this space. Nobody will miss it. There are many masters who directly try to work on ether. Straight away trying to work on the consciousness may not help all the individuals. Here Shiva is trying to work through the breath, through the prana. He is taking us to the same height. He is leading us to the same depth through proper method, through proper channel, through a proper technique, by helping us to work on the breath. You are supposed to start where you are. You are supposed to start where you are. You can't start where you have to end. You are supposed to end in consciousness, but you can't start in consciousness because you are not there. If you are already there, why you need teaching? You don't need anything. You don't need meditation. Somebody goes to a great yogi and asks, Master, I want to learn meditation. Master says, no, first you have to master the yama, means you have to practice the yama, niyama. What is the yama, niyama? Be truthful, practice brahmacharya, don't steal others' things, live a non-violent life. You have to practice all these things, only then you can start meditation. Disciple asks, if I can do all these things, then why I need meditation? If I can do all these things already, then why I need meditation? Person who can straight away work on consciousness doesn't need anything. It doesn't need teacher. It doesn't need any help. You have to start where you are. You can't straight away think of the goal. Goal is truth, but you can't start with the goal. Here, Shiva is, of course, Shiva is practical person. I have read thousands of spiritual books. If at all I am asked to choose a single book among the 1,000, I will choose the Shiva Sutras only. It's a pure essence, and not only that, he is so practical. He is taking us to the same height, but step by step. He is beautifully leading us step by step to the highest truth. Today, he is opening up and declaring the highest truth, but not straight away, after preparing us. First, with the first 3 sutras, he has prepared us. Now he is opening up the truth.